Hey y'all, welcome to TxM Garage. This video has been long overdue. I'm going to tell you about TxM Garage. My name is Mike. I'm also known as TxMike. I live in suburban Central Texas, and this is my shop, my two-car garage full of stuff that I share with the family. All the kids have their toys out here and all that stuff. But I do have enough room here for my tools, workbench, and several ongoing projects. I want to show you guys the projects I'm working on. I think they're kind of fun. But it's also to show you the tools I use, why I use them, and how I use them. I'm C5-6 quadriplegic. I am paralyzed from the chest, right in your chest down. Basically have mitts for hands. That's a lot more function than some the same level quadriplegics have. But I've found ways to work with my function, enable me to work on the projects that I want to work at. Shout out to Kyle Voss over at the Fab Forums for kind of giving me the kick in the butt to get moving on this. So the first things I'm going to be working on is I have the Panzer wagon that I need to get ready to sell. There's some work I want to do on it. I've got a remote control mower that's been a 2-year project that I just need to get finished. Here we are, it's Memorial Day weekend, and I still don't have a mower to go mow my yard. So I got some ribs going in the old kettle right now, getting some smoke on them. And I got the Panzer wagon here that I need to get working on before I need to get that thing sold. Of course, the family truckster hiding them back there. Yeah, so I've got the mower project, the Panzer wagon. I've got some smaller things to do on my newer wagon. The big project that I have a TxM 4.6 dual cam. Now for those not that know, that's a 4.6 V8 out of a Lincoln Mark 8. I think it's factory rated like 285 or something like that. Aluminum block, aluminum heads. I got it for a song. The plan is take that, clean it up. I'm not going to tear it down. I'm going to do some gaskets and some minor changes to it. The long-term goal for that engine is factory 5's 33 Roadster. So it's a kind of a replica. It's not really a replica. It's a Roadster, hot rod Roadster, based off the styling, the idea, shape, premise of a 1933 Ford Roadster. One of my favorite all-time body styles. I love hot rods. It's been a long time goal of mine to want to build a hot rod. It's been a long road to get to this point where I think I can start doing these bigger, heavier projects. I was disabled 18 years ago, this week actually, and first I started dumping all my tools. I didn't think I was going to need them or could you ever use them. And then I started doing more projects with my dad, and then projects with, well, I say do projects. I sat there and pointed and told him what I wanted to do, and he graciously suffered through it. I did projects with my buddies. They basically did a lot of work for me, cheap, free labor. I still ask for a lot of help from my buddies, and they're awesome. They always are willing to help out when they can. But I've gotten more and more where I can do my own work, and that's a lot of this channel is I want to be able to show people, no matter what your physical ability, no matter what you think you've been exposed to on working on cars or working on anything around the house, what tools are, how you use them, and then how I use them, and show that no matter what your function, no matter what your knowledge, you can do the work. So welcome to TxM Garage. Please stick around. Please subscribe. And I'll get videos up as often as I can, and we'll go from there. Thanks, y'all.